Hurricane Windows. Miami Beach is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's aesthetics and functionality. With the best window installation services in Miami Beach, you can ensure that your windows are installed with precision and care, providing long-lasting performance and beauty. Whether you need residential window services, Miami Beach, or commercial window solutions, Miami Beach, our team is equipped to handle projects of any size. Window Replacement Miami Beach is an excellent option for upgrading your home or business with modern, energy-efficient windows. Miami Beach. Our top-rated Window Replacement Miami Beach services provide a wide range of options, including impact windows, Miami Beach and hurricane windows. Miami Beach, to protect your property from severe weather conditions. With energy-saving windows. Miami Beach, you can reduce your energy bills while enhancing your property's curb appeal. For those seeking window replacement, Miami Beach, our affordable window replacement in Miami Beach offers quick and efficient solutions to restore your windows to their original condition. From window frame replacement Miami Beach FL to window glass replacement Miami Beach FL, our experts are trained to address all types of window issues. We also specialize in window screen replacement, Miami Beach FL, and window hardware installation Miami Beach, to ensure your windows are fully functional. Impact-resistant windows, Miami Beach and hurricane windows. Miami Beach are essential for safeguarding your property against the harsh weather conditions common in the area. Our window solutions. Miami Beach FL include a variety of impact windows. Miami Beach designed to withstand strong winds and flying debris. Trust our window installation. Miami Beach experts to provide you with the best protection available. Window tinting. Miami Beach is a popular choice for those looking to improve privacy and reduce glare in their homes or offices. Our professional window tinting Miami Beach services offer a range of tint options to suit your needs, enhancing both comfort and style. Additionally, window cleaning Miami Beach is essential for maintaining the appearance and functionality of your windows. Our window cleaning experts Miami Beach ensure your windows are spotless and streak-free. Custom windows. Miami Beach provide a unique opportunity to personalize your property with designs that reflect your style and preferences. Our custom window solutions. Miami Beach offer a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials to create the perfect look for your home or business. With window design, Miami Beach FL, and window consultation Miami Beach FL, we help you bring your vision to life. Window glazing Miami Beach and window caulking. Miami Beach are vital for ensuring your windows are properly sealed and insulated. Our window glazing specialists Miami Beach and window caulking services. Miami Beach provide expert solutions to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Window sealing experts. Miami Beach also offer window sealing services to protect against leaks and enhance your property's comfort. Regular window maintenance. Miami Beach FL is essential for prolonging the life of your windows and preventing costly replacements. Our window maintenance Miami Beach services include thorough inspections and necessary adjustments to keep your windows in top condition. With window inspection services Miami Beach, you can identify potential issues early and address them promptly.